Hi, today I'm going to share with you a dynamic content today that would be the contact form, two-step contact form. And if you struggle to like first here you put something and it will go to the next step form that could be two-step form. And today's video will be that, so how to create two-step lead form in WordPress without using any API, without using any premium plugin. Just simply we will use contact form 7 and use some custom code, and you do not write any custom code. I just give you all information in description box. I don't want to go redirect to another website. I just all to share with you in the description box. You just check in my description box, you will see everything. Okay, so step first I will review all step, then if you are satisfied that actually you actually want this kind of service, so you actually want this kind of tutorial, that you can move forward full. And if you don't, if you see these are not for you, you can skip. Okay, so first here this would be the system is here, enter your city. Okay, so here it would be any city, so I'm just pasting the California, and here I'm just clicking the button that is get your offer, and it will redirect to the another page that will be this one, this page. And I'm just mm, pasting some information that is in this name and phone number, email, and these are the which where you here this service about. Okay, just click, when I click this get my offer, and it will redirect to the another page, that is thank you page. Okay, so this step, these three step by step I will show you, and where you get the informations, like if you go to your WordPress website, WordPress dashboard, and refresh the page and go to the Flamingo, and I will describe everything, what is the Flamingo and contact form 7. And here you will get the information that is right now I have submitted the informations. Okay, so that's very important stuff, and if you think these are the very important, you can continue with me. Okay, so hi everyone, welcome to my channel. It's me Faisal Jaman, your WordPress developer. Today I will show you this kind of this actual two-step lead form in WordPress. So if you need this kind of stuff, you just continue all things. Okay, so first what you're gonna do, we will use some two plugins that is I have already installed. I have that installed in my plugin section. These are the contact form 7, and these are the Flamingo. Okay, so this plugin, I hope you can install and activate it. And Flamingo is it's actually super important. Without this plugin, you can't see your entity entries inside your dashboard. Okay, so both plugin are active, so we are ready to create. So next step. Okay, so first here what you're gonna do, just going to this contact form, here the contact form, and here going to this contact form. And now first I have created this quick location. So here you just, what you're gonna do, just click the contact form, and after clicking this one, here you will put some information like quick location form, that could be anything. And here I'm just use, here I did some actually the custom CSS for styling. If I edit this one, in your case, actually in your case you will see this one. Okay, but this code, this code I will paste in, I will drop in the description box. Here you will get all this informations. You just copy it and paste it to your website. Okay, but the thing is, the which input you actually want. Here I actually need one input, that is the city state. That's why I just place this one input, that is text. Okay, so here if you need more, you can add it. Okay, so here I have already set it all those CSS for designing. So this design actually I'm just showing to you. Just go to home, these are the design. Okay, so the next step, so next step will be, if I go to again contact form page, similarly you will create another form, and that could be full lead form. Just click on here. I also added all in CSS over here, and I also give you all the informations to my description box. You just check it out, and I'm going to you just copy and paste it to your website. And here the most important stuff is if I go to click this California, get an offer, and I have some information, that's first name, last name, phone number, email, and uh, how did you hear about us. Okay, this field. So I have added this field over here. Okay, but this one is hit location, this one is email, this one is phone number, this one is last name, this one is first name. So if you are not familiar with the code, for you can upload a more form. You can go to this copy this code to your ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will answer to you all more information. If you need, you can use ChatGPT, but I have give you some structure, and you can use for your own project. So this using this structure, you can easily could create this kind of stuff. Okay, that's the main stuff. Okay, so if you actually want to know the basic code of this lead form, so I will give you the I will give you to the notepad. Okay, so this one are actually the code. So this code for this lead form, and using this code I will just adding some CSS stuff. So all of CSS stuff, so you can copy you can just use for your own project all of these inputs. Okay. Okay, so this form are these forms is here we will use some JavaScript code later, but all I will give you, don't worry. So step 3 is done. So now we will go to the step 4, that is contact thank you page. Okay, so first one was the contact for this one quick location. Second, we have created lead form. And now what you're gonna do, I'm just going to this all page, and here I will just create another page that is home page. Okay, so here what you're gonna do for, after before create the two contact form, first the going to the home page. Okay, I'm just going to the home page. And I know you already create how to create a home page, how to create all those stuff. That's why I am not wasting time here. What you're gonna do, just using the shortcode. Here you will search shortcode and simply paste it over here and copy the shortcode. So shortcode comes from over here, contact form, this contact form, and this location contact form shortcode. I'm just copying this one and paste it also over here. Okay, it will appear it will actually appear over here. Okay, now what you're gonna do, I'm just and now what you're gonna do, just pasting this HTML code. Okay, for this HTML code we need to just clicking after clicking this get your offer button, and it will redirect to another page. Okay, so there's that's why we need JavaScript code. So here I just give you the code, and here I will describe the one more thing is the window. The windows lead from, so lead from is the page name. So where actually I show the next but second page. So that page location page name was actually this one, the page name. So lead form. Okay, so we will create the lead form page, and if you actually do if your page name is different, you can set it the lead form page set a name. You can just type your page name, and it will helps to redirect to that page. Okay, okay, Tahul, all right. So here I don't want this one, just click save. Okay, so now again I'm going to show another page, that is lead form. These are the lead form. So lead form, what you're gonna do, just click the edit to Elementor, and I hope you know how to create the page lead form, and the click the edit to Elementor, and design is up to you. I have designed this part, and also this part. This part actually comes from CSS already I have described before. And now what you're gonna do here, same thing. Just first what you're gonna do, just write shortcode here. The shortcode, this shortcode will be this lead form. Okay, just copy and similarly paste it over here. It will appear the form, and these are the another JavaScript code. So this JavaScript code will helps you to when your button is submitted, and it will redirect to the another page, that is thank you page. These are the thank you page, and this thank you page we will again create for this. So simply we can jump to the another one. Okay, just click publish, and again going to the another page, that is thank you page. So I'm going to just click the edit Elementor. So here the create a new page, the call is thank you, and these are thank you page I have designed this way. Okay, so here actually here the what checks you actually put is it's up to you. So here actually we review your property, and we will receive a call shortly, and for immediately helps call or email. That's kind of information I actually put it over here. So after design or after uploading this content, just publish the page. A reminder, this URL should be same. Okay, so same with this lead form. So this page name is thank you, and this permalink, actually this permalink are thank you. Okay, this in this JavaScript. Okay, thank you. Okay, all right. So all those stuffs I have discovered. So in the mid video, I'm actually introduce something that is before you will continue the I'm just paste you I'm just drop you the quick message for you all who want actually build fast actually who want to build fast secure WordPress website. I personally host all of my WordPress project, on a hostinger, and I highly recommend to because it's actually fast and affordable, perfect for WordPress, amazing for support, and they are including free SSL for a plus free domain. So if you discount actually with my hosting affiliate link, use the link description box in the description box. If you use my affiliate link, you will get some free, you will get some much bonus, you will get some much you will get more discount. So using my link support the channel and helps to make more free tutorial like this. All right, so let's jump to the let's jump back into our form build. Okay, now what you're gonna do, just I'm just go back to another section. All right, so the thing is Flamingo. So this plugin will actually helps you to just hold all informations. Okay, like when you submit your information, when you submit your leads, and it will automatically come in this inbound message. Okay, you just go this one. I just clicking this inbound message, and here you will see some when your information are done. Okay, so simply just going to this website, and again home, and here the California, get your offer, and this one, the informations all are required field. That's why we have to put all those information. So they get the offer, and it will jump to the thank you page. Okay, we are in land in the thank you page. So if I go to this page, and here you will see another information, that is your subject and view, and you will see all those informations. Okay, and you can see bunch of information like unnecessary, but if you want to use, you can use, but that actually not for us. But IP address, and which device they actually use, this kind of informations, URL and date, time. So that's the not unnecessary use stuff. So these are the informations. Okay, so the last part is actually when you are create a form, just clicking this contact form and clicking this full lead edit. Here just going to the mail section. Here actually I'm just paste the dummy email over here. So here you will paste your client email, and these are actually the form actually these actually the form, actually the domain name, which domain name actually your client domain name, and subject will be the new lead, and first name and last name. These are the first name, this shortcode I have used over here, and this last name is showing over here. And reply to email is this one, and I'm just paste the dynamic short code as email, and the message body. So message body, that means when your customer, or when this information submitted, and it will automatically redirect to your email also. Okay, so that's the email template body. So these are the which informations you will get in your email. So that's actually the parameters: the name, the first name, last name, and phone number, phone informations, all the informations over here. And when your customer, or when your visitors send it in information, so it will automatically redirect to your email. And also you will see your information entities in this unbound message. So here are the all step. I think you can understand all the stuffs. And that's it. So you have now create full working step by step WordPress lead capture system using on free plugin. So no one no actually no need to use any Google API, and no need to use any extra plugin. So here, if you use extra plugin or premium plugin, you can use Gravity Form, and you can use contract form, another contract form you can use, but in this way are free. Okay, so if you found this videos very helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and subscribe, and use my hosting affiliate link below in your build your first professionally website. So thanks for watching. This Faisal Jaman is sign out. So thank you very much. See you in the next video.